Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take ICT class for the students of class 6 on the topic of short question from chapter 3. I am repeating our today's topic is short question 3-4 from chapter 3. This is our fourth lecture and third SW. I'm repeating, this is our fourth lecture and third SW. Students, take your notebook and writing elements. First, we'll discuss about the short question 3-4 and you have to pick them in your notebook. So let's start. Our first short question is short question 3. The question is, discuss the factors that should be taken care for the safest use of computers. I'm repeating, our question is, discuss the factors that should be taken care for the safest use of computers. The answer is, for the safest use of computers, we must have to be concerned about the electric connection mostly. We should not connect the wires to the plug when it is open. Besides the electric connection, we should also look after the airflow system of the computer because the processor of the computer turns into very hot when it works. So, the internal temperature of the computer is much higher than the external temperature. The internal fan of the computer takes the hot air outside the computer and brings the cool air from the outside to the inside. So, it must be ensured that the way of entrance and bringing out of air should not be closed. By ensuring those factors, computer will run well for a longer period of time. So students, from this answer we come to know some ways. With this we can take a great care of our computer, and if we take these ways, the computer will be safe and we can use our computer for a longer period of time. Now come to short question 4. The question is, write the similarities between the real virus and the computer virus. I'm repeating, our question is, write the similarities between the real virus and the computer virus. The answer is, similarities between the real virus and the computer virus are given below. Number 1, when the real virus attacks our body, we become sick and lose our ability to work. Our computer also loses its ability to work. Look, when any virus attacks human body, that means in our body, we feel sick and we can't move, we can't work. So like human virus, that means real virus, our computer virus also loses the ability of our computer. Now come to number 2. Virus can spread from the body of one person to another person. Similarly, computer virus can spread from one computer to another computer. So, if we touch a person who is in virus affection, we can be attacked by the same virus. So, it means this virus spread from the body of one person to another person. Like this, like real virus, computer virus can spread from one computer to another one. Number 3, the real virus is capable of regeneration in human body. A computer virus can also regenerate numerous viruses. So, the real virus can regenerate in human body. Like real virus, computer virus can regenerate in numerous numbers. Number 4, the real virus uses human body as its home. In the same way, computer virus makes a computer as its home. When a real virus enters into human body, it used to live in the human body. Like this, computer virus makes the computer as its home. I hope you have understood two questions and you can answer them easily. Now, it's time to your homework. Your homework will be short question 3-4. That means short question 3, discuss the factors that should be taken care for the safest use of computers, and short question 4, write the similarities between the real virus and the computer virus. These two will be your homework. And students, don't forget to write the lecture number and homework number at the top of the corner of your copy. Our lecture number is 4 and homework number is 3. Students, do your homework in your SW copy. Guardians or anyone else can submit your SW copies on every Sunday and collect your previous copies on next Sunday. You need to be serious about your homeworks because you will get your CT, diary and SPA marks on the basis of the submission of your homeworks. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.